Hello, cherry viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Then they can I share a video. Make my rave subscribe it. Now I share. Now I like it. No me a notification bell no. Say the video be about 2 hours Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. There is just a bearable fruits or puff. Me yes, puff when I'm tasty, It tastes really nice. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Yes, that's it. What the 1.5 cup milk, but milk they say a yeshikakra. What the 1 tablespoon dry is alcohol. 1 teaspoon sugar. Now I'm mixing it now together. We are not kataso. We be boy ama is now activity. What the see channel? What the 2.5 cup all-purpose flour. 1/4 cup sugar, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 mixing in there together. What they see in channel, what kwa is miss channel. What the 2 eggs, egumu. Half teaspoon vanilla, 1 mixing in there together. We are now the dry mixture near the egumu. No one mixing in there together. Mix it, they say too much liquid. We are not kataso. We dey see for 2 hours. After 2 hours, we watch your medium hot oil. Now if you know with me if I was some wait me use ice cream spoon there at it. Now that tomo. Oh, I know that said the enche. Then in never been pay. Please, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. And I am ready. Now we yet and when now I serve it. Until when I was a cocoa to me that I enjoy. Now this our both fruit recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.